Pollutions. Day by day, the pollutions are creating toxic to our Mother Earth, land, water, soil, and even the air. The air which we breathe around us 24 by 7 are creating polluted day by day, and it has become a great concern to be clean enough. Air pollution. When we heard this word air pollution, the image which strikes our mind or come in front of our eyes is the industries, traffic pollution. So we think that we are safe enough or we don't have to worry about it because we spend maximum times indoors. But we are unaware of the fact that the indoor pollutions are the 5 times more polluted than the outdoor ones. So it becomes a great concern to be clean enough so that we can breathe a fresh air. We spend maximum times in indoors, whether it be in the offices, homes, or in a workstation. So we need to figure out the problems and we need to remove those toxins around air so that we can have a fresh air and environment. In 1980s, a British scientist Bill Wolverton has conducted an experiment by taking some plants and placed them inside the closed room. After 24 hours, he analyzed that there are some plants which are very efficient to remove some of the chemicals from the environment which are toxic enough. The similar experiment was conducted in 1989 by the NASA. After the experiment, NASA reveals that there are many plants which can actually purify the air. That is, it can remove the air toxins and pollutants very efficiently. So in this video, we will going to talk about 5 such plants which are commonly found in the market and are very efficient to clean the air by absorbing the harmful pollutants and toxins. The first plant in my list is the areca palm. The areca palm is very easily available in the market and it varies from different height which makes us comfortable to keep according to our space. It can be as small as tabletop plants to as large as 8 to 10 feet. Areca palm are very efficient to remove some of the harmful chemicals like acetone, xylene, formaldehyde. Now these chemicals are present in the paint, nail polishes, furnitures, wooden furnitures, detergents and petroleum. Areca palm absorbs these chemicals very efficiently and clean the air. It's recommended that 4 shoulder height areca palm per person is efficient to enough to clean the air. The next plant in my list is the snake plant. The snake plant is very efficient in removing the chemicals like benzene, xylene and formaldehyde. Xylene and formaldehyde I have talked to you earlier where they are found, but benzenes are found in the smokes which is come from the cigarette and crude oil. These chemicals are mainly produced because of the burning of the petroleum products. So you no need to go deep into this chemicals because it's not necessary to know. You need to know that these plants purify the air very efficiently. If you are a plant parent beginner, I will recommend to have a snake plant because the snake plant is a very hardy plant and will never disappoint. It's recommended that a good sized plant, or you can say a medium sized plant, is very efficient to clean up those air by keeping them per plant in 100 square feet. For example, you can say if you have 1000 to 2000 square feet house, then you should keep them in 1000 square feet, minimum 10 plants to clean up the air very efficiently. The third plant in my list is the peace lily. If you care them, and it will have a beautiful white blooms on them. This plant are used to keep them in an indirect sunlight where it doesn't receive a direct exposure of sunlight. It requires a medium moderate light condition, that is the indoor ones, so that they can have or flourish well. Peace lily are very efficient in absorbing the most harmful chemical which is the carbon monoxide CO and formaldehyde from the environment very efficiently. It also says that if you are in a closed jar and you have these air purifying plants, you will not notice clearly, then you will find that I have not removed the peace lily from the nursery bag till now. It has been already few months also because I want to settle them in the nursery bag. As soon as the root will come out from the holes, then I will repot them in a new pot. The next plant in my list, which is one of the most common plant and easily available plant, particularly as a plant parent beginner or you can say Indian homes, is the pothos or the money plant. This money plant is very efficiently absorb the chemicals like benzene, toluene and xylene. Now you will say that what will happen to these chemicals if they release out and we don't have such plants like air purifying plants. These plants can cause a short-term irritation to long-term irritation and many other problems like respiratory problems, lungs problem, asthma and many other problems. So these air purifying plants are very efficient to clean up the air and to absorb these volatile chemicals from the air very efficiently. One great secret to keep your plant beautiful, lush green and bushy ones and healthy is that to keep them undisturbed. If there is no such requirement, then don't disturb them. If you need to repot them or it very necessary, then only repot them or disturb the plant. Otherwise, keep them aside undisturbed. The next plant in my list is a very stylish plant and doesn't require to be watered as a daily purpose, is the ZZ plant. This plant is the most easiest plant to care and a hardy plant. This plant can grow in a low light condition and to the darkness too. This plant also helps to remove the harmful gases like xylene and toluene in a maximum amount. Xylene are present in the house cleaning products or when we are renovating our homes, burning candles. These products release the xylene, which is very efficiently removed by the ZZ plant. That's all for today, guys. 5 such plants which is very easily available, a hardy plant and are very easy to grow and low maintenance plant. I will give the link, the rest of the plant which is also a air purifying plant in the description box. Also, I will give the link below in the description box about the experiment conducted by the NASA and which are the air purifying plants. I hope that this video will be useful for you to figure out the air purifying plants and will use them in the house so that it can clear and purify the air very efficiently.